How to recover deleted Telegram chats, messages and photos. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. So the first way you can recover your deleted chats or photos or videos is by going in your file manager of your smartphone. So simply search for files or files manager. So once you have entered here, you have to simply click on the search bar on the top right and go for this Telegram, and this will open up the Telegram specific folder where you can find your videos, photos and even messages sometimes. So let's say you don't find anything here in your file manager, so what you have to do is to follow the step number 2, which is you have to open up your Chrome or any kind of browser you are currently using, and you have to simply search for telegram.org and /support. So once you have searched for that, you will be taken to their help center. So once you are here, you have to simply type this support message: I want to recover my photos and videos. Once you have typed this, you have to go for this your email. Make sure to type the particular email that is registered with your Telegram and with your phone number. So once you have tapped this, you have to simply click on the submit, and Telegram team will gonna approach you and will gonna help you out. So that's how basically you can recover deleted Telegram chats, photos and videos.